Hey guys, good morning, YouTube land. Yesterday we got 32 birds, one band. It said it was born 2017, maybe a couple of years earlier. Today, setting a big goose spread. It is 3:09 a.m. Got a couple of guys getting together. We're all gonna be laying in white in the decoys and whatnot. Seen a feed last night, a little feed. Hopefully that brings more birds today this morning. So stay tuned. Hopefully we get it done. It's a brisk 23 degrees out today. Winds are probably anywhere from 10 to gust up to 20 miles an hour. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys at the field. Alright guys, so I'm here at the field. Stopped at Wawa, grabbed a Red Bull, wake myself up a little bit. It is 3:50, meeting up here at 4, first one here. Yeah. Hopefully we get a couple of birds down today, or at least we see some. This is my second year snow goose hunting, so just got to learn the ins and outs of it. We got a lot of decoys, dive bomb sock decoys, so then we're going to be putting out some Canadian decoys as well, silhouettes, dive bomb. Hopefully we can attract these birds in, or at least see what flyway they're taking. So stay tuned. If you guys have any comments or questions, we're located here in Pennsylvania, Lehigh Valley area. So alright, looks like somebody may be coming, so stay tuned. Well, what a total disappointment yesterday's all-day hunt was. All day long we had maybe about 20 birds look at us. We had the windsocks out. Absolutely terrible. Windy, 20 degrees, gusts from 20 to maybe 40 miles an hour. Birds came and they left. Not that many birds up here in this area yet. A lot of ponds around here. A lot of the water's still frozen, half frozen. A lot of them are a little further south or west. So headed back to the spread today. Maybe we can get a couple of them that we've seen out far. Maybe they'll be in the area and want to feed. So stay tuned. See you guys at the spread. Birds all over last evening. Hopefully we get some this morning again. They're out there feeding and whatnot. I'm running a little bit late, so turn you guys on once we get to the field. Everything's still set up from last night, so we got about 2,000 dive bomb decoys, and yeah, I'll turn you guys on then. I got you guys. Go ahead. You guys ready? Get ready. Get ready. Snow's down low, baby! Woo! Hey! The hell to take you 2 shots for? He said I was coming right over you. He said it's landed.
Did you never see him?
No, dude, I'm down low.
Dude, when
No.
they're coming, they're coming. Yeah.
Let me see it. What do we got there? All right. That's what they look like. Nice.
He's a little bit older.
Hey, he told me it's flying over. He didn't tell me it landed. Goodness. Don't even call anymore. Are we slamming these first ones or what? You call it. They're still too high. Oh, dude, 3 right in front of us. Right in front of us.
Hold on, wait. All right, wait for the big group. Wait for the big group. Let's take them. Shit.
Nothing. Oh, are you kidding me?
We got 2.
Load. Get down in. Just get down in and load up.
This ammo sucks.
Just get down in and load up. Don't even worry about it. Man, are you kidding me? I can't believe we didn't hit those. Hold on.
I didn't even see them till last minute.
Yeah, those 3. Hey, what's this group off to my right?
Shit.
It's all right. Hey, we got some.
Dude, that was pretty gone. Yeah. They freaking dropped. We got another group, a 6-pack right in front of us. Stolen.
There's off to my right. What's off to my right? I hear them.
Yeah, there's a bunch. There's 6 cups out front. Like, up front. Yeah, they're just dropping right in front of us. 7 of them, straight high. Oh, yeah. Yeah, did you play? No, I jammed them at the end. Watch these 6 right in front. Don't take them. Oh, these ones right here. See them right in front?
Here they come. Come on. There's more back to my right, I hear.
We gotta wait till they're locked in.
What's off to my right?
Don't worry about that. We got 4 cups.
Okay.
You gotta wait till they're close.
Hold on. Wait. Yeah?
Let them wait.
Oh, wait.
Let them wait. Right here, right now.
No.
Right now. Yo, we dropped it. I don't know, but this ammo sucks.
Get down. Here. Josh.
This ammo sucks. Dude, I'm gonna run out of ammo. Dude, they're dropping it freaking tonight. Man, this ammo. What are you running? That one. I got it.
Get down. More coming. Well, I didn't get it on video. We got another one down. Going out to get it. Maybe another juvie. My gun got stuck in my door when I came off. I was like, oh no.
Tuck them behind the blind.
Another juvie there.
No, he was still alive. He was laying. There's 2 more behind. Dang.
Are they coming?
Yeah, they can. Hold on. You ready? Hold on. It's hot.
Huh?
Take them. That's a blue baby or a dirty juvie.
Gun jammed. Got guns jamming.
Nah.
Yo, what's this coming back right here? What are you guys doing? It's right in the sun. Seriously. Get your gun loaded. It's right here. Is this a blue?
Yeah. Dead.
You serious?
Shut up.
Wait.
Yeah, they can. Hold on. You ready? Hold on.
Have a poke?
No, he's way him.
Is there snows or is that him?
Go home and clean my gun and come back. Are you freaking joking? Hold on. Why can't we get? I'm $500
Did you hear him though? Behind us?
He's not a perfect blue, but you ain't gonna get a more perfect blue in Pennsylvania.
Having a day.
I'm going home. I'm so freaking. I'm sorry.
Guy going home.
Stand on this. Might as well. That's a dirty boy. Dang it, now I lost my sunglasses. That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
they
man.
weren't as close as you think.
It looks like they're right on top of us, but I guess they're really not. Let them land. Screw it.
We could have left
Let them land and then... I told you it was a blue.
Are you serious?
They're both blues. I don't know what you guys were...
Are you serious? Dude.
It's a blue.
Is it nice?
It's a young blue, and it's not an adult.
It's nice. It's going on the wall.
Well, dude. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I told you they're blues.
Who shot him? Dude, I'm pretty certain that I shot
Whatever,
him.
if you, it's all good. Hold them up. Let
Are
me
you
get a picture.
freaking kidding me?
Dude, I thought they were two blues. I honestly did. Hold them
Yeah,
up.
I saw the white hat.
Hold,
How can
hold
you
them up nicely.
You know,
Well, let Rick will hold one up too.
Yeah, well,
I'm good.
are you
I
freaking
missed.
joking?
Hold on.
Why can't we get that other
Look,
one?
stop. Look.
Dude, I'm
Did you
$500
hear them
again.
though? Behind us? This sounded
I'm
weird.
100% putting this on the wall.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Like, he's not a perfect blue, but you ain't gonna get a more perfect blue in
Dude,
Pennsylvania.
I honestly thought they were.
Yeah.
I knew there were two blues.
Are you freaking kidding me?
I thought they were blues, dude.
Having a day.
I'm going home. I'm so freaking jacked
Having a
right
day.
now. Are you joking?
Dude, and he's not even bad.
I thought, like, when you said he was young, he was like juvie, but he's not
No.
juvie.
Got him
He's
right
got
there
the-
underneath the wing, or underneath the...
That's nothing. I'm leaving.
Whacked
I'll
them.
be back.
Are you?
Where are you going?
I got it. I'm not playing. I'm not.
Are you seriously kidding
I'm
me?
not-
We just freaking got a blue.
Dude, we could have got
Yeah.
two blues. I gotta
What
leave.
the?
He said I gotta leave.
No, I'm not, dude. I'm not playing this game with
I
my
gotta
gun.
call my wife and tell her I'm sorry, but we're freaking gonna be poor. Oh, let's see what she said. Like, I'm sorry, I'm
You have
getting it
to.
mounted.
Yeah.
Dude, she puts up. I just heard one.
Was there?
Oh, there she is. Do you see this? This is a blue. A beautiful freaking blue that's going on the wall.